Hey guys,
Hey.
so I'm Molly and I'm about to burp some more. Oh, this random foot right here. It's from my puppy. See?
Not her puppy.
See the puppy? She's sleeping. Her name's Precious.
It's her rescue dog.
It's a rescue dog. I do animal rescue with my mother. Love for canines. We rescue cats too. Even though cats aren't even though cats are canines. But anyways, burping. Are you ready? That was weak. I can do better. I can do better. That was weak too. I know. Frutista Freeze. Taco Bell. Yeah, Taco Bell. They're right there.
Look at mine.
Oh! Air stuck right here. They're getting better. They're getting better. This is not a good day for my burps. But I'll continue. Hold on. See, trick is you gotta swallow the air, not just inhale. Some people say you gotta inhale. No, you gotta swallow it and then push it back up. But make sure you don't throw up, because that'd be really gross. That was a good one. Oh, we made a video of my grandma ordering a Taco Bell, which is pretty funny. Pretty funny. We'll put that on later too. But one more burp, and I'll make more burp videos later. Oh, that was weak. Hold on. That was weak too, but I'll make better ones. And I'll find some carbonation, which will make them even more, the better. So, watch and comment, and I'll post more.
Okay.